In the video conferencing project, the USB cable connecting the camera is the key to image transmission. The traditional USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 can no longer meet the requirements. Greater bandwidth is required to support higher definition image transmission. Longer cables are required to meet the wiring in large scenes. Lower latency is required to achieve real-time conference communication, smooth and not image lag. Need more stable performance to maintain lasting transmission requirements. In order to meet all the above requirements, Bridgee has developed a Prof U10AC USB 3.1 optical fiber data cable. It has a large bandwidth of 10 gigabits per second and strictly conforms to the USB 3.1 specification. The cable has up to 50 feet, 15 m size, which can fully meet the wiring requirements of video conference scenarios. No extra power supply needed, plug and play, very convenient. There is a use manual at the lower left corner. The device end connector is connected to cameras, mobile hard disks, VR helmets and other devices, and the host end is connected to the host and monitor. Let's unpack the package and see what's going. The cable plug is made of silver zinc alloy shell, which is sturdy and wear resistant, concise and atmospheric, and can protect the internal components from damage. German chips and American laser device used inside, which has a long life and can transmit 10 gigabits per second signals efficiently and stably, bringing high definition and smooth images to video conferences and video surveillance. This cable truly conforms to the USB 3.1 specification, is backward compatible with USB 2.0/3.0. It supports 10 gigabits per second bandwidth, and can transmit high-quality images at ultra-high speed, so that the portrait is clear and the color is vivid in the video conference. Both plugs have groove design, which are convenient for plugging. Reinforced tail sleeve design at the end to prevent the cable from loosening and make the connection more stable. The insider core adopts OM310 gigabit multimode fiber, which can transmit signals efficiently without delay, and can realize real-time display and interaction of conference video without jamming. The cable is soft, which is convenient for engineering wiring, and it has up to 50-foot length, which is suitable for high-definition video conference, video surveillance, and other large scene wiring. The cable has device and host directional marks. The device end is connected to the device end, such as camera, mobile hard disk, and VR helmet, and the host end is connected to the host and the display. It is very convenient to use. This cable can be used to connect a camera and a computer for high-definition video conference. Next, let's connect the notebook and the mobile hard disk to measure the transmission speed. It can be seen that the reading and writing speed is very fast, which greatly saves the data transmission time and facilitates efficient work. If you want to know more about this product, go to bridgee.cc.